the motivating factor for me was an exchange that I've had probably 20 or 30 times with different operators on Twitter. And the argument is always the same. It's, I want to operate business at the highest level. This is my goal. I want to operate business at the highest level. I want to play the game at a very high level. And I also want to have a balanced life. I want to have great relationships with my kids. I want to be a great husband. I want to have a ton of hobbies. I want to become a scratch golfer. I want to become a pilot. I want to do these things that are not business related. So therefore, I need to be able to work 20 to 30 hours a week. People on Twitter that are very rich, that are very good at what they do, they call me out all the time and tell me that that is complete bullshit. You cannot do that. You are not, in so many words, they're saying you're lazy, you're not obsessed with your business. The only way to play this game at the highest level, maybe it's become a billionaire, whatever it might be, the only way to do that is with a level of unbalance. I want to prove them wrong more than anything in the world. And I'm kind of speaking it into existence that, hey, I'm going to delegate to the extreme. I'm a gatherer of people. I'm going to find talented people and put them together. And I can play this game at the highest level. I can make massive amounts of money, and I can build teams of people that I'm making them wealthy. Another personal goal of mine is, hey, I want to make a lot of millionaires. Like a lot of my partners, my employees, my investors, I want to make them a ton of money and accelerate their life too. And the best way to do that is just grow bigger and bigger and bigger. So that's kind of where I'm at and what motivates me right now.